Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra promos highlighted new camera features. According to the available data, Samsung will offer 7 years of updates and possible Galaxy AI subscriptions on the cards and many other exciting stuff. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. So according to the latest news, Samsung might copy Google and increase update support to 7 years starting with the Galaxy S24 lineup. According to our reliable sources this weekend, further promo images have also been leaked, advertising some camera and AI features, whereas the latter might cost extra down the road. New Samsung Galaxy S24 leaks have surfaced this weekend, just a few days before the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17, 2024. According to Android headline sources, Samsung is likely to increase the update support for the new Galaxy flagships to 7 years in total. As of now, we cannot be sure yet, but the 7 years sound plausible after Google announced a similar time frame for their Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro camera flagships last year. Samsung copies from Google. Samsung has apparently copied a lot from Google this year. Google Pixel 8 users are already familiar with all the generative AI features, which Samsung seems to promote under the tagline Galaxy AI. The first promo in the gallery, as you can see in the video, shows how the Magic Editor clone will look like on Samsung phones. Moving, enlarging or changing objects in the photo will become more common on Galaxy S24 and Co. thanks to Galaxy AI feature. The two render images of the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra, as you can see in the video, also confirm the information about the camera hardware that has been leaked many times before already. Paid subscription for Galaxy AI features. Quite alarming are the references to possible subscription models for the Galaxy AI features. According to the current leak, the new AI functions on the supported Galaxy phones will be free of charge until at least 2025, after which some of the functions could become chargeable in one way or another. Unfortunately, details are not yet available. Since Google does not yet charge extra for its AI features, such plans are unlikely to be popular with the Samsung Galaxy S24 buyers. The new Galaxy S24 line will be officially announced at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17, 2024. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.